a jet of the future, virtually invisible to radar, flying alongside intelligent drones, moving in unison like a single mind. If this becomes a reality, who will truly command the skies? In this video, we move past the drama. We focus on technology, on the logic behind the design, and on publicly available data. Everything is clearly categorized. What is fact and what is interpretation? Recently, an air power in the East was reported to be developing two sixth-generation platforms simultaneously. One is a manned fighter jet with advanced stealth technology. The other is a high-performance heavy combat drone. The question is simple. Why two? And what is the strategic significance for the future of aerial dominance? That is what we will analyze. Methodically, structurally, without sensation. Core analysis. Video objectives. To provide a plausible technological overview, the TO understands sixth-generation concepts. TO examine the role of loyal wingman drones, maintaining a neutral tone without direct confrontation or propaganda framing that a focus on education. Section 1. What is the sixth generation? The facts international aviation analysts generally agree that sixth-generation combat platforms comprise several key elements. Multidimensional stealth, moving beyond radar to include IR, acoustic, and electronic signatures. Advanced sensor fusion, integrating data from radar, IRSD satellites, and drones into a single tactical picture. Human-machine teaming. Manned jets operating in tandem with autonomous combat drones. AI-assisted decision-making. AI does not replace the pilot. It accelerates the decision-making process. Network-centric warfare. The jet is no longer just an aircraft, but a node within a combat. Network. Next-generation weaponry, including hypersonics, directed energy weapons, and intelligent electronic systems. The sixth generation isn't just about being faster or more agile. It is about who processes information the quickest, who sees first, who masks their signature best, and who can control the most assets simultaneously. Section 2. The Eastern Manned Jet Program. We shall refer to the manned jet as Platform A. The facts based on public reports and imagery analysis. Platform A reportedly features a tailless blended wing design, consistent with modern stealth configurations. Air intakes are concealed to minimize radar cross-dash section. IT is expected to utilize internal weapons bays. Development focuses on range, stealth, and sensor fusion, while technical details remain classified. The program is reportedly developed by major aerospace industries in the East. Interpretation. This design priority indicates a focus on penetrating sophisticated air defenses, serving as a command hub for drones, ensuring long-term survivability. Essentially, Platform A is not merely a fighter. It is the flying brain of an aerial ecosystem. Section 3. Heavy Combat Drone, the Loyal Wingman. We shall refer to the combat drone as Platform B. The facts public reports describe Platform B as a heavy combat drone capable of long-range flight, carrying internal ordnance, utilizing stealth design, potential control via a manned jet. These drones typically fulfill several roles: frontline attacker, radar jammer, intelligence gatherer, or bodyguard for the manned jet. Interpretation. Platform B allows a single pilot to command multiple wingmen simultaneously. This is a game changer. A formation of one manned jet and 4 autonomous drones creates a highly lethal cell, all without risking additional human lives. Section 4. Why two simultaneous programs? The facts. Several global powers are currently developing the combination of manned jets and loyal wingman drones. While not a new concept, its implementation is immensely complex. Interpretation. The primary reasons for developing both platforms are redundancy and tactical flexibility. The manned jet focuses on command. The drone focuses on execution, operational costs. Drones are generally more cost-effective to operate. Survivability. Drones can be deployed into high-threat contested areas. Scalability. It is easier to increase the number of drones within a single mission. In short, the skies of the future will not be occupied by individual aircraft, but by interconnected aerial ecosystems. Section 5. Sensors, AI, and data. This is the true heart of the matter. The fact's current technological trends show that AESA radars are becoming more intelligent, IRST systems more sensitive, data links more secure, and onboard computing power significantly larger. Interpretation aerial victory is no longer determined by who is the fastest or who has the most aircraft. It is determined by who detects the enemy first, who processes data faster, who makes the most precise decisions, who maintains the lowest signature. This is where the sixth generation establishes its position. Section 6. Risks and challenges. The facts developing the sixth generation is exceptionally difficult. Challenges include tailless stealth design stability, heat management.ai mission control.datalink cybersecurity, flight certification and production costs. Interpretation. If one system fails, the entire concept could collapse. This is why many global sixth-generation programs remain in the phases of concept testing, prototyping, or technology validation. Operational readiness is not yet guaranteed. The scenario. Imagine a scenario. A single-manned jet flies at an optimal altitude. It is not alone, for combat drones are spread out ahead of it, connected like a neural network. Drone 1 jams enemy radar. Drone 2 scans targets passively. Drone 3 carries precision weapons. Drone 4 focuses on defense and electronic decoys. The pilot provides the intent. The AI executes the details. That is the vision of the future, a future being accelerated in the East. Section 7. Fact versus interpretation. Platforms A and B. The facts * public test imagery confirms the existence of new jet programs. Heavy combat drone development is underway. Eastern aerospace industries possess significant manufacturing capacity. Interpretation. What remains uncertain. True operational status, total units produced, actual combat capacity, the level of high-tier AI integration. Therefore, all analysis must remain proportional. Our goal is not to alarm, but to understand the trajectory of global aerial technology. Section 8. Implications for air dominance. Neutral analysis. If the manned jet plus loyal wingman concept is successfully operationalized, a paradigm shift will occur. The pilot evolves from a lone fighter to an aerial network commander. Mission costs may decrease as drones do not require the same physical training or life support accommodations. Human risk is mitigated. Operations can be conducted on a much larger scale. This is not about who against whom, it is about how technology is reshaping aerial strategy. Section 9. Key technical aspects. Let's get more technical, yet keep it accessible. Stealth design, minimal radar cross-section, internal weapon concealment, and engine heat management, sensor fusion, merging radar, IR, EW, satellite, and drone data into one clean interface for the pilot.ai mission support. Assisting with target prioritization, safe navigation, fuel management, and task distribution to drones.network-centric warfare. Every platform acts as a node in an aerial internet. If one node falls, the others continue to function. Section 10. The overlooked question. Many focus on, how fast is this plane? The more relevant question is, how well does this plane read the situation? Because whoever sees first usually wins. Professional conclusion. Let us conclude calmly, without hyperbole. Summary of facts. A power in the East is developing 2 advanced platforms, a next-generation manned jet and a heavy combat drone. Both are designed to operate in tandem. Neutral interpretation. This is more than a technological race. It is a shift in the global military aviation paradigm. Why stay tuned to this channel? Because we will continue to discuss technology, strategy, and the evolution of aerial concepts using language, that is, neutral composed educational, without sensation, without hostility, focusing purely on the evolution of flight. Closing line. The skies of the future are no longer about who flies the fastest. They are about who utilizes the network most intelligently. And developments in the East suggest that this future is drawing closer. Until the next video, stay critical, stay calm, and always distinguish between fact and interpretation.